be the car that gets closest in 3 seconds.
We want to build the biggest great ball contraption in Vegas this year at AWS Re. We've had attendees build over 90 different modules, and we're about to finish connecting them in a moment.
The LEGO GBC Great Ball Contraption is a whole lot of fun every year. There's always some downtime in between sessions and workshops and talks, and it's always a blast. Definitely better than sitting around playing arcade games or something.
I think it just shows off the creativity that everyone has. This block of area that we're in is the IoT department, which gives you so much freedom in a new realm of possibilities. And I think Legos do the same thing.
With my colleagues, it's pretty cool to see them outside of the workspace, let loose and have a good time.
Some people haven't played with Lego in like decades. Someone said to me, "Oh, it was the best 2 hours of my life." And it's really good right after you've done like a serious tech session or once you've listened to a keynote that you just need to like debrief and relax. And this is like a really great venue to do it. The play is where you actually do the best problem solving. This GBC is really representative of companies where there's issues and then you have to address those issues and other issues are always coming up, and it's like this consistent module that you always have to make sure is always flowing. This is one example, but we can do anything that you could imagine out of Lego with an idea of infusing play into it.
2, 1.
This year I want to build my car and see whether I'll break a slope speed record. AWS is very serious, so this is where I get to be a child again. I learned that I need to go back to who I used to be as a kid. Learn to build stuff from scratch and enjoy the process. The fun is in the process. Come and do your stuff, build something, put your heart into it, and then see it work. It's just beautiful.